Hello guys, Blender Defender here with another quick tip tutorial, and in this one I'm going to show you how you can use my add-on Super Easy Analytics, or C abbreviated, to inspect your files and motivate yourself.
Blender Defender.
Before I start the video, I just want to say sorry for not uploading a video during the last 2 months. I was really busy working on Super Easy Analytics, and I really spent a lot of time for making this update. So if you want to support me, you can donate a little amount on Gumroad or Blender Market. Thank you. So, first of all, if you open Blender, you will notice the button that says Save Your File in the upper right corner. This will remind you of saving your file so you will never lose any progress again. In the preferences, you can set how frequently Super Easy Analytics reminds you of saving your file, so SEA won't remind you too often if you don't want to. For the next set of features, let me first ask you if you can see any difference between these 7 cubes and planes. You can pause the video if you want to, but you'll probably not see the difference even if you stare at it for one entire day. Luckily, C comes with a couple of tools that will make the difference between these objects very clear. If you highlight objects by unapplied scale, you will see that these two objects do not have scale applied, so be careful when trying to sculpt. Clicking hidden objects will reveal that there actually is an 8th cube in the scene, which would be visible when rendering. Accidentally showing hidden objects on final renders is a common mistake that costs a lot of time. But with this tool, you can avoid running into this issue. Highlighting flat shaded, non-manifold or non-material objects is pretty self-explaining, so just note that these tools are there. And if you want to see which objects use n-gons, just click n-gon objects and SEA will show you. Last but not least, you can get an overview of linked duplicates in the scene with the option to unlink or unlink and apply scale. C 1.2 also comes with improved time measuring and many new statistics. You can now see which rendering device you use most, how often you undo steps in Blender, how your system is doing, and what data your file is made up of. You have project statistics that are individual for each single file, and if you go to the add-on preferences, you can enable these so-called freelancer statistics, which offer calculating a project price per hour based on the amount you earn with this project, which can be pretty helpful if you are working on a paid freelance projects. Yeah, and that's how you can use Super Easy Analytics to inspect your files and motivate yourself. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Leave a like and subscribe if it was, or tell me in the comments what kind of tutorials would be helpful to you. I wish you a great day, and always remember, a river cuts its way through stone not because it's so strong, but because it persistently pursues its destination.